Welcome to our class 4 mathematics. So in our previous session, we have completed chapter number 5. Let us start with the next chapter, chapter 6. How many times? What is the lesson name? How many times? How many times? So by the name itself, times. Times means multiplication. This word comes over, it means you have to do multiplication. So let me just discuss the points, important things, concept of this one. The clear picture of this lesson I'll just give you in the form of PDF file. And please children, just go to the TSRTC website, Telangana SCERT website, and then go on doing the worksheets, children. Okay? Yes, the website is SERT. It is being given by the Telangana government. Please go through the website and please complete the worksheets which are there in the website. There are many worksheets as per the lesson, because if I don't give it, you can go on with those things. Just let me make it clear. Let me just give you the website in a proper way. SCERT dot Telangana dot gov.in. So this is the website, children. Go through the website and then in the website go on with the worksheets. You'll be seeing the column there, new worksheets for further chapters. Okay, in that worksheets you can select your class and then go through and do each and every worksheets thoroughly. As well as I need those worksheets to be done in your separate book. I told you to keep it for worksheets, in that you do it. Is it clear, children? Each and everybody should complete it. Okay? Because if I am not giving these things in my class campus, I'll just provide you the notes. And if the question papers are very, very important, the one which you have to do it, those question papers, or else in the form of Google Forms, I'll give you those, you can solve it. Okay, children? The one which for which marks are included, those I'll provide it. You can do it. Okay. Please kindly go through the website and complete all the worksheets, and practice is must in mathematics. That is the reason I'm saying you to go through the worksheets. Okay. Yes. Now let me explain you the concept of the lesson. How many times? How many times means what? Times means multiplication. Yes, times means multiplication. What is the symbol of multiplication? Symbol of multiplication is into. Yes or no? This is the symbol of multiplication. Okay. As I told you, in multiplication, there are always equal groups. Whenever there are equal groups, that means it is a form of multiplication. Multiplication best friend. Yes, addition. Sorry. Multiplication's best friend is addition. That means repeated addition is called multiplication. Yes. Now see here, children, I'll just give you an example and explain you. I have two fans in first room, two fans in second room, two fans in third room, two fans in fourth room. Okay. So you can see that fans are always two. Equal groups are there here. As I told you, multiplication equal groups. The keyword of multiplication is equal groups is must. Yes. Now instead of doing repeatedly 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, you can directly do how many rooms are there? Rooms are 4, and each room in one room how many fans are there? 2. So what will I do? 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. Did I get the same answer? To make the calculation in a simple way, we are doing multiplication. So multiplication, first thing you have to remember, equal groups should be there. Yes. Secondly, the multiplication's best friend is repeated addition. Repeatedly adding is making our calculation difficult. So to make it in a simple way, we are doing multiplication. Is it clear? And multiplication is done only when there are equal groups. That is the main and important point. Okay, equal groups into equal groups each. Yes, now see here. Groups are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms are there. These are called groups. 4 rooms are called the groups. Yes, 1 room, 2 room, 3 room, 4 room. And you can see that in each room you have 2 fans. Equal groups each is equal to total. Yes or no? Is equal to total. So this is the multiplication form. Okay. This is the second point, you can call it. This is the third point. And this one, multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. Yes. Now these 4 points are very clear to you. Yes or no? Okay. Multiplication is repeated addition. Okay. So now after this, one more point. Multiplication is reverse of division. How? I'll explain. In multiplication and division, you will have a common keyword, equal groups. Yes, this is the common keyword which you have both in multiplication and division. Yes or no? Okay. Equal groups is the common keyword which you have both in multiplication and division. That you have to remember. Now, how it is called the reverse? Reverse of division. So now equal groups, what we have taken here, equal groups 4, and what we have taken 2 fans in each room. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8. You got the answer. Now multiplication is reverse of division. Multiplication is reverse of division. Or you can even say division is reverse of multiplication, vice versa. Okay, anything can come over. So now how you will say that it is reverse of division? Total divided by any one you can take. Any one group you take it. Let me take 4. Yes, 8 divided by 4. In 4 table where you will get 8. 4 2s are 8. Division friend is subtraction. Is there any number to divide? Not there. So nothing is there. So what is our answer? 2. Yes or no? So 8 divided by 4 is giving you 2. 8 divided by 4 is giving you 2. Now let me go on in another way. 8 divided by 4 we did. Now let us take 2. So what should I get? 4 I should get. Let us check it. 8 divided by 2. In 2 table where you will get 8. 2 4s are 8. Is there any number to divide? No. So now subtract it, 0. So what is our answer? 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So in this sense, multiplication is reverse of division. Yes, multiplication is reverse of division. Yes or no? Now one more thing you can get it from this one is what you did here. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. What is this form? 4 2s are 8. Yes, 4 2s are 8. So these are called the division facts. Yes, from multiplication you are getting the division facts. Yes, now if I keep 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2, what are the multiplication facts I will get it? Factors of multiplication from division. 4 2s are 8. Let me interchange it. 2 4s are 8. Got it? These are called the multiplication facts. These are called the multiplication facts. So you can see here, children, step by step from one point to another point, all are being interchanged. Yes, one is being linked to the other point. Yes, just you have to understand, whenever there is division, this is division facts. Yes, whenever there is multiplication, these are the multiplication facts. Is it clear? Okay, these are the division facts and these are the multiplication facts. So from the multiplication, write the division facts, means like this you will write. From the division, write the multiplication facts, means like this. Is it clear? Okay. So what all we learned here? Times means multiplication. The symbol of multiplication is into. Equal groups into equal groups each is equal to total. Yes, multiplication is reverse of division. Division is reverse of multiplication or vice versa. Vice versa. Yes, and the multiplication is repeated, addition, and the multiplication and division facts we learned. Is it clear? Understood? These are some of the important points. You have to go through it. Okay. Now, the next one, next point, one more concept. What is the next one? When 0 is multiplied with any number. Now, let us come to the things. Okay. Okay, children, just a minute. Chapter 6. Class 4. Okay, the next point. When 0 is multiplied by any number. When 0 is multiplied by any number, we get 0. Yes or no? Yes? You can go on with the 0 table. Let me take a number 2. 2 zeros are 0. Let me take a 2-digit number, 31. 31 zeros are 0. 3-digit number, 243 into 0 is 0. So that means 0 into any number will give you always 0. Yes or no? So when 0 is multiplied by any number, we get 0. Okay. The next one, when 1 is multiplied by any number, the next one, when 1 is multiplied by any number, when 1 is multiplied by any number. Any number, what do we get? We get the same number. Yes, whatever the number is, the same number you will get. Let us now understand it. Let me take an example. 3 into 1. It is 3. 66 into 1. 66. 240 into 1. 240. So, as per the concept, when 1 is multiplied by any number, yes, 1 is multiplied by any number, you'll get the same number as your answer. As the same number, or else you can say the number itself. Number itself. Okay? Yes, this is our next point. The next one, when we reverse the multiplicand, if the numbers are interchanged, when the multiplicants are interchanged, the product remains the same. Okay, let me just explain you. So firstly, what is the product? Product means the result of multiplication. The result of multiplication is called product. Okay. Yes, the result of multiplication is called the product. That means 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into 6, 18. So this 18, this 8 are the products. So whenever there is a question, find the product. Product means what you will do then and there? You will multiply the question. Yes, remember that. So whenever there is a question to find the product, you will do multiplication. Okay. So the next one, what was the next one? When if the multiplicants are interchanged. Yes, if 2 into 4 is 8. This 2 and this 4 are called the multiplicants. Yes, these 2 and 4 are called the multiplicants. This is called the result or the product, answer. Okay, so when you interchange, these two, yes, that means in this place this will come and 4 plus 2 will come, 2 plus 4 will come. So 4 into 2. The product is nothing but the answer. Product remains the same. Yes. So what is that one? When the multiplicants are interchanged, the product remains the same. The product remains the same. So this is our next concept. Okay. So whenever you interchange the multiplicants also, the result, the answer remains the same. Okay. Is it clear? Now, let us do the multiplication with the tens, hundreds and thousands. Multiplication with the tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. So now let us take a number, multiplication of tens, hundreds and thousands. So one simple concept, tens, hundreds and thousands. Let us take a number. Firstly, with a simple number, let me explain you children. Okay, so let me take a number, 2 tens. How much? You know the 2 table, 2 tens are 20. Now 3 tens are 3 tens are 30. 4 tens are 4 tens are 40. So you can observe here, just to see here, you can see here very carefully that how many zeros are there here in 2 tens are 1 0. So wherever the zeros are there at the last of the numbers, the same zero you will be adding to the answer. So here it is 1 0. So that is why you are getting in the answer only 1 0. Okay, now let me give another example. 20 into 40 is equal to how much? So 1 0 1 0. Okay, now I will do multiplication of 2 into 4. So 2 fours are 8. Now how many zeros I have here? 1 0, 2 0. These 2 zeros I will attach to the answer. So my answer will become 800. So 20 into 40 will give me 800. Understood? Yes. So that is the value of 0 when you multiply it, and the 0 should be at the last. Is it clear? The same goes for the hundreds. So if you go on, 2 into 100 is 200. 3 into 100 is 300. 4 into 100 is 400. The same will go on for the thousands. 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000. 3 into 1000 will give you 3000. 4 into 1000 will give you 4000. So children, in the scrt.telangana.gov.in you have the worksheets related to the tens, hundreds and thousands. Write those worksheets in your separate book, which I told you to keep it for the worksheets only, which is meant for worksheets only. Write those worksheets and practice it with the answers. Please do it. Is it clear? Okay. So today we learned the concept. So tomorrow onwards, and please children, learn the tables. It is very clear for you. Learn tables. Okay. As this is a lesson of multiplication, kindly learn the tables from 0 to 12. You have to be thorough till 0 to 12 table. In the next class, we will do the multiplication, and I will explain you after 12 from 13 till, that means from 11 till 99 tables, how to get those tables in a simple way. But for that, you have to be thorough in the 0 to 12 tables perfectly. Yes? Am I clear? Please children. Okay? So learn the tables. So 0 to 12 tables, you have to be thorough for the next class. Is it clear? Okay children? In the next lesson, I'll explain you how to go on with the multiplication and also how to get the tables from 11 to 99. Is it clear? Okay children. Take care of yourself, listen to your elders and kindly pay the fees. Second term and first term fees of 2000 of the academic year 2020 to 21. Yes children, please pay the fees. If there is any pending fees, kindly pay. Okay. Thank you. Take care. God bless you all.